Hello there, my name is Manny from the Philippines, and today I'm going to show you how you can reuse that SD card which you might think has been damaged. Probably you have an SD card like this which doesn't work anymore. When you insert it in a camera, it has some error in it, like when I insert it into my D90, you can see here that the error is kind of like this one. Change card. Yeah, see that? So let me show you how I hack this SD card and to make it usable once more. So here it goes. So if you have this kind of card or memory card that's lying around unusable, probably you want to to throw it away. Well, don't, because you don't know what's inside. What you gotta do is to get an X-Acto knife and open it up. Actually, I have opened this before, so I know what's inside. Well, it depends on the brand. Well, it's a brand specific. Well, for instance, this is a third-party brand, a King Kong brand. Well, I guess seems true for probably you can find some third-party brand cards out there which has something like this inside. Well, as you can see here, this card contains a micro SD card which you can use. Well, I guess the problem here is the contact here. It's something like a corrosion, so it won't work anymore in my camera. But what I did is to take out this card, micro SD card, which is inside, and get yourself this micro SD adapter or holder. Then you gotta put this inside. Okay, and there you have it. You can use it again. So let me show you. Okay, so when I put this one more time in my camera, as you can see here, doesn't have an error anymore. There you go. So you can format it again. Let's see. Format memory card. There you go. So I can shoot pictures again with this same old card which I thought was damaged. There. Okay. But this doesn't apply to all the SD. I said it's brand specific, so I tried to open this Canon here. It's a Canon SD card, and here's what is inside. It's not a micro SD, but rather a chip which is similar to most flash memory of some MP3 players. Well, I said it's brand specific. I guess if you probably had a original SD card like SanDisk, Canon, you will be disappointed. But this one is cheap, and you got a micro SD inside. Technology has gone way too far this time, and whether you choose to go cheap or expensive, I guess there's always a workaround with these gadgets. The point is, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. But when it's broke, you can have it work again, provided you know what you're doing. So I guess there you have it, a simple hack which could make your life easier. Thanks, and thanks for watching. Till next time, guys.